going on, bros? Oh, and today's video is gonna be insane. Oh, bros, in today's video it's gonna be insane. It's gonna be crazy in today's video. Check it out. Alright, so check it out. Here I come. Alright, so today in this video, I'm gonna make a quick video. It's just gonna be a short part 4 of building a dolly chair. Show you how I'm gonna make the cushion. Kind of like an update. Alright, well, we're not gonna beat around the bush. We're just gonna show you how to put the cushion on your chair, because you're getting a sore ass. You're getting a sore bum. Sorry. And you want a little bit of cushion to sit on. Alright, and you've been waiting for part 4. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys, and just gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. How I'm gonna put the cushion on with the fabric. Alright, bros, check it out. It's a part 4. I still got other things I want to do with it, but right now I just want to show you how I'm gonna put the fabric on. I'll show you a little trick. Saving old couch cushions and stuff like that can pay off if you like the color. Alright, check it out. So, check it out. We just need a staple gun, and we also need a sharp knife. Check it out, bros. We gotta put the fabric on today, and then that way you know how to put the fabric on. Check it out, bros. We're gonna put the fabric on. I have this water resistant pad that came off of this old wicker chair that someone threw out, and we threw out. We used it for a little while, but the wicker just fell apart, but we threw that out. Kept this nice soft material. It's nice and squishy. It's not like the foam in the other video. First I gotta cut it open with the knife. Yeah, I have extra fabric, so I'm gonna do a small cut. I know what you're thinking. That cushion is dirty as hell. Well, I'm cutting the dirty part off. The other side's not as dirty. So I needed to make sure that there's enough fabric where I could tuck it in on the underside and staple it. And that's why you can see I'm cutting a line in from the edge a little bit, a couple inches. That's so that I have all that fabric to staple on the underside. But it looks like I'm gonna have to cut a little bit of this chair to really make the cushion fit just nice. Most of my measurements are from the center line. And I also flip it around and measure off of the side frame. Just to make sure it's perfectly even and symmetrical. Measure the width of the fabric and I divide it by 2, and that gives me the center. So I put a center line on the fabric and there's a center line on the chair. I line it up and I start stapling. Staple about 3/4 of an inch from the edge. Put a staple at each corner so that you can pull the fabric evenly around the whole seat. Then fill in the gaps in between, and you can put a staple like every inch or two. Hide all the staples on the underside of the seat where you can't see it. Use the hammer to set any unfinished staples. All done. Alright guys, she did not like the fabric I used and wasn't happy about me cutting the sides off. So I'm probably going to redo this chair again. She wants it to be like leather. She even wants fabric on the back side, so it looks like I'm gonna have to spend some money. Get some kind of leather material, and I'm sure I could buy like the cotton or whatever it's called, sheets of that. You could probably go to Michael's and buy the fabric, like some kind of leather, water repellent stuff. So yeah, there's going to be a part 5, so stay tuned. I'll paint it, and maybe I'll just make a big video where I paint it and put the fabric on and the foam and everything, so it'll be all done. I'll make one big video of it.